Hello and welcome. Today I'm gonna talk about GPT-4. And if you are like me, you cannot subscribe to ChatGPT 3.5 or it's not available. You can use poe.com and it is a subscription model. So this will gonna be the best money you spend on internet, better than Netflix. And the reason why, because how could I explain that in a simple terms? Because it is a planning machine. You can put a plan for asking, like, plan for me, or put a plan for the next 6 months from zero to professional level to learn, quote unquote, Russian language, for example. And it's not for adherent to be adherent to the plan. So you cannot learn a language from zero to C1 level, for example, in 6 months, but you can get a framework. So the framework is very important if you want to learn a language, or if you want to acquire a skill, or whatever you're looking for or planning to. And the reason why I'm asking you to ignore ChatGPT and go directly to the subscription model GPT-4, that's far way more knowledgeable and trained on further information, and it's very large compared to the previous models. So don't waste your time talking to subpar language model. It even passed the USMLE exam. Do you know how hard it is to pass the USMLE exam? Here I'm asking the GPT-4 to show me what's the best way to learn Russian language. The issue is I ask it to formulate for me the best 10 books on Russian language, and as you can see, it's pretty robust, and it has a links inside it. So whenever I want more information, I can get the information from it. And at the end, you can ask it to tell you more, or to add more information, or more context to the previous question. You can share the answer, you can like it, you can dislike it. So that's GPT-4. I wanted to say that not in a way that it's gonna take your job, but the human who's using artificial intelligence is going to take the job of the human who's not using artificial intelligence. And as you can see, the opportunities are endless. And I haven't talked about the plugins for GPT-4 and the other forms of artificial intelligence, Midjourney, and etc., which uses other techniques and ways to generate art. I'm not talking about this. I'm talking about the large language models, or GPT-4 specifically. And if you have tried it, you will know what I'm talking about. The cause of the price increase in GPT-4 and compared to the previous models is the processing power mainly. And you don't want to get the least processing power works for you. You want to the best, because you are the best. Have a good weekend, and or weekday, let's say weekday, and see you in the next video, and goodbye.